Hi everyone! Welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your MyMaths account. To log into your MyMaths account, firstly open your Google search. Type in MyMaths login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link displayed on the page. It will take you to the login page of MyMaths account. Enter your school username and password associated with your MyMaths account. After entering your username and password, click on Login. This is how you can log into your MyMaths account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.